In this exercise, where you're going to see your imagination and your mind and body work together, what I want you to do is I want you to place your dominant hand, that's the one you write with, out in front of you like so. And then your non-dominant hand out like so, palm upwards. And the non-dominant hand, the palm pointed upwards, I want you to imagine that there's a big heavy book on that hand. Now what does that book look like? Perhaps there's a title on that book. Just notice what that book looks like. That big heavy book. That's right, that big heavy book on that hand. And just imagine on the dominant hand that someone has tied a helium balloon around the wrist of that hand. And that helium balloon only wants to do one thing. And what colour is the string that's attached to that helium balloon? And what colour is the helium balloon? And that helium balloon wants to do one thing. And as that happens, just close your eyes for a few moments. And notice how that helium balloon wants to go up, up towards the clouds, the sky. That's right. And the higher it goes, the bigger the balloon gets. So it wants to go even higher. And that heavy book is weighing that arm down. It's getting really heavy. It's getting very difficult to hold that heavy book up. That's right. As that helium balloon goes up, up, up into the sky, and a light breeze comes along and pulls and tugs on that helium balloon. As that heavy book is getting weighed down, down, and someone has sneaked up and put another heavy book on your arm. That's right. So that arm is really getting tired with two of those heavy books resting on that palm of your hand. As that helium balloon goes up, 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 higher and higher. That's right. Now, isn't that really interesting? Just open your eyes and see where your hands are. So by you imagining something yet again, your constant thoughts become your reality. So what you are thinking affects your physiology. Your body and mind work together always.